Hey guys, what's up? Mac here, Two Brothers Tire and Auto, coming at you with another episode this week. Tax season's here, it's in full effect. We got a lot of stuff going, a lot of cool stuff here. Gonna start, just kind of take you around, show you what's going on. Honda Civic Type R. This thing was in last week. We dismounted the tires, powder coated the wheels gloss black. It sits pretty good as is, but wants to close up that wheel gap a little bit. Just got dropped off a few minutes ago. This is a good buddy, customer Warren. We're gonna put some lowering springs on it, get it setting a little bit better. F-150 here, leveled it up this morning, did some Nitto Ridge grapplers on it. Hummer H2 in for some fresh rubber, Venom tires. Cool truck over here. It's F-150. We did the lift wheels and tires on this thing a couple weeks ago, maybe a month or so. It's back today, getting some rock lights. Do a lot of rock lights on these things. Got some of them already mounted up. We had to back it out for a few minutes and fix and get it back in the shop. But 6-inch lift on this guy, 24 14s, Archon wheels, chrome, Pioneer tires. Just wrapped up this little AT4, not so little AT4. We'll touch on that thing more in a minute. I guess let's go through the shop, we'll see what's going on, see what everybody's doing. It is right here around lunchtime, so some of the guys are probably in and out. Y'all look busy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, getting that break time. Y'all don't have any of these already open, do you?
Yeah, there's one open.
Is there?
Yeah, one right there. This one right here.
Yeah. I'll show you these specialty forged wheels. These just came in. We are a dealer for specialty forged. Don't do as many of these as we do some of the other forged wheel brands like, you know, American Forged, JTX, but another option. This is a pretty sick finish. I'll pop one out here so you can get a little better shot of it. So that's a full matte black, which is a custom finish from them. Nice billet caps, good touch on that. So this is an option for people that want, you know, something that not everybody else has. Good clean looking wheel. Still waiting on the truck to come in. Actually, it's in production. I think we're doing a 6-inch BDS 4-link. It's here as well. You know, one thing we've been doing lately is trying to plan better. Parts are so hard to come by. Wheels are hard to come by, tires are hard to come by. So even like these guys that have new trucks on order, hey, see you, Brian. Appreciate you fixing this up. Yeah, send me a bill, man. Thank you. There's a Hunter guy fixing the balancer. Like I was saying though, if you got a new truck on order and you're wanting to do something to this thing, get with us while the truck's on order being built. You don't want to wait till the truck comes in and then be like, hey, I want, especially like high-end stuff, BDS, forged wheels, stuff like that. It's better, much better to plan for it. That way it's all here, ready to rock and roll. So I'll let them put these up.
This Chevy's getting 4 brand new TPMS sensors.
Okay.
The black F-150 is getting a balance. I guess the customer's been having some vibration problems, so we're trying to get that straightened out.
Cool.
Put new lugs on it because the factory lugs are swollen.
They suck.
As always.
Yeah, common issue on the Fords.
Yep.
Lawsuit, class action lawsuit. So just basically some quick maintenance stuff on both of these guys. Any idea what that Chevrolet over there?
They got ball joints, I know for sure, tie rods maybe, and obviously just alignment.
Okay, so front end rebuild.
Yeah.
I know whose truck that is. He's a longtime customer of ours. We did the lift, wheels, tires a long time ago. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate you.
It was measuring on it.
Gotcha. It started acting up after some power surging.
I showed him how to turn it back on too. You got to push that button on the side.
Okay, cool.
And I put a brake shoe on it.
Hey, you're the man. Thank you. Got our balancer all fixed up. That's better than expected. Got to have that. Let me set this down real quick. Roll up to the top shop, see what they're doing up here. Look alive, boys. Oh, I like how everybody runs when we come up here. We've been doing this for like, what, 15 weeks now? And everybody says, what are you doing to this thing, Marty?
Rebuilding front end.
Front end rebuild on the town car. Drew, what you got going over here, bro?
We started with a 3-inch level and lift and some lower ball joints, upper control arms. And
You already got the lift knocked out.
the lift's knocked out.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, 3-inch.
Spark plugs, but I'll be getting my socket and my wobble out of there. I dropped it in there, so that's what I'm gonna be doing for now.
That happens. It's always the 10 millimeters and the wobbles.
It was the 8.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, even
Yeah.
smaller than 10.
Well, say, hey, one-stop shop. Lifting this thing, did some ball joints while we were in there. Now giving it a little tune-up. One good thing about us, you know, try to do as much as we can in-house. We like to control as much as we can in-house. But if we can't handle it, you know, we've usually got somebody we can kind of sub it out to or send you to. This truck here, F250, F350, looks like it's got some steering linkage, new track bar, ball joints. No ball joints. Basically front end rebuild. It's front end season. Rebuilding all kinds of stuff. This is an excursion we went and picked up yesterday for a friend of the shop, customer. They've owned this thing since 2004. It's always been in their family. They're taking really good care of it. They're just wanting it kind of spruced up a little bit. We don't even really know exactly what all we're doing to it yet, but there's just a few little odds and ends. Going to do some shocks, probably clean the frame up a little bit, maybe some wheels and tires, definitely some headlights. Some of the paint we're going to either buff out, touch up, fender needs replaced, take care of that. This is going to be a project that's here for a few weeks, getting worked on, you know, kind of off and on. Got the Bronco sitting over there, still untouched. Had way too much stuff going this week. I mean, customers always come first. This one, they literally backed out while we were headed upstairs. Good customer of ours. Just did this new bumper. It's all painted to match. Light bar, pod lights for the fog lights. We did the lift wheels, tires way back. Pretty cool little guy there. This Jeep, Rubicon, it's been a couple-week project, in and out of the shop. Again, parts are so hard to come by. We've kind of done it in stages. We're headed to powder coat right now to pick up the rest of the stuff to finish up the rear of it. It's being powder coated to match. Longtime customer, good friend, Austin, appreciate all your business. These wheels are like some of the best looking wheels I think that you can do on a Jeep. It's a KMC Machete beadlock. They fit this thing perfectly. We did 37-inch Toyos, open country MT. Last week we installed some heavy duty steering linkage from RPM. That's already on there. Can't remember the exact brand, but we're doing like a spare tire delete, basically cleaning up the back of the Jeep. Got a few more accessories to bolt on, some roto packs, gas, carriers, that type of stuff. But yeah, a lot of stuff going. Busy. So we appreciate all you guys. Guess we'll get over here, show you this other truck, see what's going on with it.
What's up, guys? It's Chris, Two Brothers Tire and Auto. Just wanted to show you guys a cool setup we did on my good customer, Mr. Mark's truck. We did a 7 to 9 inch McGaughys adjustable kit on it. We set it on 9 inches. We did the black and milled kit, upper control arms. We put the 37-inch Nittos on it. This is one of the best riding trucks I've ever drove. Honestly, it's hard to beat. The suspension setup on this is super nice. These kits are adjustable, so you can do 7 inches, you can do 8 inches, you can do 9 inches. We wanted to stuff the big tire under it, so we set it on 9 inches. If you guys want to check it out, and we'll go over here and look at these components. This is the upper control arms that we added on there. Those are required if you want to go up to 9 inches. And in the rear, if you want to set it on 9 inches, you got to add some extra leaf shim, stuff like that to set it up in the rear. But like I said, this is a great riding kit. This is a sweet truck. Also, I wanted to show you guys, come around to the back here. We did not install this kit, but we do install them. This is a Borla attack system with the carbon tips. It's a very, very good sounding kit. We do these every day. We can get them for you. Super easy installs. These are bolt-on kits. They don't ever need any kind of fabrication or anything like that, so they just bolt up and go. Customer supplied his own wheels on this one, but there's a very good color combo. This burgundy truck with the gray wheels. Like I said, this is a very good riding truck. One of the best setups we've done so far. So.
So another truck just pulled in, 22 Ram 2500, already done the level kit on it, bed cover, got amp running boards. I don't want to open them right now because it's on the lift. Throwing some Axe wheels on it. Axe Off-Road Hades. This is a 24 by 12. We're going to wrap it in the Venom RT 35, 12, 50, 24. Do a lot of these Dodges, be a good setup. This actually belongs to Drew, mechanic upstairs. Super happy for Drew. He ordered this truck 4 or 5 months ago. He's been like chomping at the bits to get it. Finally came in Monday. So can't wait for Drew to see it all completed up and done. But that pretty well, I think, covers, you know, most of what we got going today. Like I said, it's fast-paced, busy. Had a nice truck here earlier. I wish we could have featured. Had some 2614 kg1s on it. We're rocking and rolling, baby. But we appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope that you're enjoying these videos and finding some enjoyment in them. Appreciate you sharing them, commenting on them, all that good stuff. If we can help you in any way, you know how to get a hold of us. I will say we've been getting a lot of messages and whatnot. Hey, I'm calling you guys, I can't get through. Please be patient with us. We only got 2 lines right now. We're absolutely out of space. The phones are ringing off the hook. Doesn't do us any good to add phone lines here because we have nowhere to put them, nobody else to answer them. Once we get to the new shop, we're gonna have like 8 lines, I think, total. I've already got that set up. More sales guys. So if you can't get through to us, keep trying us, or like I said, shoot us a message, say I'm trying to call. We'll reply to that. We'll get your phone number. We'll reach out to you. We appreciate everybody's support, though. I can't say, thanks enough for that. And thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.